What if wood splitting could feel effortless? Here, we don't just build machines, we engineer raw power into precision. Every cut, every stroke, calculated. Welcome to a world where hard work gets smarter, faster, and seriously impressive. This homemade vintage wood saw is pure old-school genius, built from raw steel, grit, and know-how. No fancy electronics, just power and precision. But machines like this don't forgive mistakes. Keep your stance solid, hands clear, and focus locked in. Respect the blade, or it will remind you why. Tired of the same old grind? Meet the 50/80 splitter, pure innovation in firewood processing. Mounted on a front loader, it delivers unmatched control and power. Add the optional log lifter and your back will thank you. Handling logs up to 880 millimeters in diameter, this beast makes loading trailers effortless.
A 28 inches circular saw with conveyor rips logs like clockwork. Fast, fierce, and built to fuel your winter stash.
This hydraulic splitter is built for real work. Big rounds, knotty wood, frozen logs. It doesn't hesitate. Smooth power, steady pressure, no wasted motion. When you've got piles to break down and no time to play around, this machine shows up and gets it done. Reliable, tough, all day. This tractor-mounted screw splitter doesn't play around. Frozen logs, knotty rounds, tough grain. It just bites in and tears them apart. Smooth and steady. No wrestling, no wasted effort. Hook it up, spin it up, and let the machine do the heavy lifting. Pure power. Clean results, every time. Here's a classic example of how not to cut down a tree. No safety gear like helmet, goggles, or chaps, and no clear escape route. This risky move could lead to serious injury or worse. Luckily, the person escaped unharmed, but safety should always come first. Never take chances. This cylindrical wood shredder doesn't mess around. No blades, no finesse, just raw spiraling torque. It grabs the log, twists, tears, and shreds it apart like it's nothing. Simple, brutal, and built for domination. This custom saw on a material transport vehicle gets the job done fast. Heads up, power comes with fuel appetite. Finding the sweet spot between power and efficiency, huge difference for your wallet and workflow wood on here. The chain and bungee setup keeps every piece right where you need it. No chasing wood, no wasted swing, just clean, controlled strikes. It's smart physics at work, less effort, more output. Perfect for anything a foot wide or bigger. Step in, line up, and let the axe do what it was born to do.
Okay, pull it out. Now, ready for the next one. Oh, burn all my bark. And never pick up another piece of wood. Okay, a little timid here. Okay. Oop, we'll edit that out. Actually, we'll leave it. That happens.
This homemade firewood processor doesn't need to look fancy to impress. It feeds, cuts, and sends wood down the line like it's nothing. Pure function, built by someone who knows exactly what matters. Speed, control, and consistency. It's proof that good design lives in real work, not price tags. Check out this DIY legend, a handcrafted log knife built with pure ingenuity. It's amazing how a simple idea transforms into a practical tool. Makes you wonder, what everyday problems could you solve with creativity? Innovation like this never fails to amaze. The JBM 60TC isn't just powerful, it's dependable. With 60 tons of force, it splits thick hardwood like it's nothing. The hydraulic system keeps every push steady and controlled. Load, press, done. Smooth workflow, clean results. This is the kind of machine you trust all season long. The rhythm of splitting wood here feels timeless, but this machine adds pure efficiency to that old pride. Heavy logs in, clean splits out, steady and controlled. No rush, no struggle, just solid work made smoother, faster, and easier. A modern upgrade to a classic craft. This log splitter uses pure mechanical leverage, not brute force. One pull on the arm and tough, twisted wood gives way clean. No hydraulics to fail, no noise overload, just steady, controlled power. Great for cold weather work, where reliability matters most. Perfect for daily use.
Дровок працює від 220, чіпляється фаркоп на фаркоп машини.
This setup isn't here to impress, it's here to work. A chainsaw bench paired with a solid MS 390 and an 18-inch bar means clean, repeatable cuts every time. From pallets to hardwood rounds, it stays steady, runs smooth, and just keeps going. No fuss, just results. Ever wondered what handles branches up to 10 centimeters thick without slowing down? This homemade chipper takes on multiple pieces at once, adjusting to size and feeding smooth. Smart build, strong output, ready for any yard job. Hydraulic log splitters bring pure force with clean control. This setup uses a solid frame to guide each push, keeping splits steady and efficient. Add ropes or extra bracing and it gets even smoother. Strong, simple, and built to handle serious wood without the struggle. This compact DIY splitter is built for consistency and control. The thick steel blade bites through hardwood without chatter, and the motor setup keeps everything steady from start to finish. It's not chasing speed or spectacle, just dependable. Repeatable cuts for everyday firewood work. Reliable, practical, made to keep going. This wood peeling setup is built for serious output. Each pass strips thick layers clean, keeping the logs smooth and ready for shaping. The hydraulics stay steady, the frame holds firm, and the pace never drops. Speed, durability, and consistent finish exactly what real production looks like. This setup doesn't just cut wood, it streamlines the whole workflow. Place the log. The blade delivers clean, precise cuts with less waste and less effort. The conveyor moves pieces out and stacks them neatly, keeping everything organized and ready. Fast, clean, and built for real work. This machine doesn't just cut wood, it turns the whole process into a smooth flow. Load the log. The blade delivers clean, controlled cuts with less effort and waste. The conveyor moves and stacks each piece neatly, keeping everything organized and ready to go. Fast, clean, and built to work. This firewood splitter delivers clean, uniform kindling fast. Strong drive, steady feed, winter-ready performance. Efficient, reliable, built to work. This electric log splitter shear runs quiet but works like a heavyweight. The hydraulic press bites straight through the wood with clean, even force. No wasted motion, no struggle, just smooth, confident cutting that feels like working alongside a master craftsman every time. This homemade mini sawmill turns raw logs into clean, square beams with steady precision. Simple setup, low cost, and maximum control over every cut. It's the kind of build that pays for itself piece by piece, project by project, while giving you the satisfaction of doing it your way. First run with the DR Rapid Fire K10 on a simple pallet stand, and it delivered. Fast cycling, smooth push, no struggle on seasoned logs. Setup took minutes, maybe add a little bracing later, but for performance, right out of the box, impress.
Argue with me, old man. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now. It's getting long.
Timberwolf turns heavy log work into a smooth system, strong frame, steady hydraulic push, and fuel options that keep it running all day. No more back strain, just clean splits and perfect firewood stacking every cycle.